Hi, I am Eric Sanchez, General Manager de ThinkOne Latinoamérica.
We are specialists to create designs for the marching band using the contemporary styles and classic styles for marching band, drum bugle curves, color guard.
This is my workshop. Here is where I repair all the instruments. Now I am working in a piccolo.
It's so exciting for me and it's so exciting for all the team here in ThinkOne because we are creating, estamos haciendo locuras, we are making some crazy things. Welcome to ThinkOne. That is our life. All the paper we use to do the sublimation process, it's recycling. Our sensors always take all this paper and create all the models we use for our costumes or our flags. Let me introduce Boris. Boris is our engineer. Our sign here in ThinkOne, as you can see it, he is the genius behind that. One of the most important things here in ThinkOne is the time. When one of our clients has a crazy idea for the new style, we try to do something or create something very cool, very fast. That is our slogan. If you can dream it, we can create it, because you can find everything here in ThinkOne.